diversity. Our gender and sexuality shape who we are. Yet, for many in the Philippines, the fight for equality is far from over. This is the story of Soji, sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression.
The Soji Equality Bill was first filed in the year 2000. Its goal is to protect individuals from discrimination based on sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. For more than 2 decades, the bill has been refiled again and again, yet it has never been passed into law.
Despite setbacks, advocates and community
kaugalingon. Kaya for me, manggod, mapintuhan mo dito kung kapila sa dahil ka sobrang overthinker as a person. And there is nothing wrong also when you are very overthinker. Kung pala grabe ka makaunahon na kaya naamal yung person ng tao. Pero based on my experience, way ko dili masama kung magpakatuto ka as a person. So by with that, I will be able to express who I am, hindi na kung mahamlog o minsan. Example tayo, labi na ko that we are living now in a 21st century. So, kung man ang mga tao more knowledgeable na sila when it comes sa mga sushi people. Kaya before, inaabot ang mga homophobic. So by with that, mapiktuhan kasi kita sa member ng sushi people. So, kung man-access ka mo sa mga homophobic na mga tao, pero mas mudaw magod ang imo ikaw pagpapalito sa imo sarili kung na-surrounded ka ng mga tao na accepted ka for being true to yourself. So, aside from that, mas nanatili sa tusyon ang lugmanin mo sa imo sarili. Hindi mo lugmanin mo towards the other people. Dapat sa lugmaon mo ang imo paugalin mo. Yung saon mo pagkuma sa laing tao kung ikaw mismo bilhin mo, lugmaon na imo paugalin mo. And that is also part of being true to yourself. Dapat dawat mo bukisan sa ikaw as a person. And with that, day by day or process by process, ma-identify mo bukisan sa ikaw as a person. So, never forget na why is you mali? Kung nagpakuan ka sa mga style o gina-express mo kung yung ani ka na way, don't just mind those people na marang dili ka mga house sa imo. Ang importante ko yun na dapat dawat mo yung pagalingon and you are also surrounded by those people who support you. Sa imo pagka down and up sleep.
Okay, that was a good lesson to have learned from your experience. That's that we want to let you know that we are so proud that you're able to handle those experiences. So before we end this interview, we want to know if what is your messages to those individuals who struggle the same, who feel the same struggles as what you experienced.
Okay, so to those people now who are also experiencing like some of the experience before or kung ano pa may na-experience nila, my message is that ato pa ang inutan na aglukan. Ang unang ulit siya on kay there is nothing wrong when you are going to face those first medyo na ito gina-feel like haglok ko na ko so dapat hindi na ako niya tubangon. Kung harap ka na kulaing way na parang mas nakumantuan pa. For me, hindi dapat ikana. Di nato siya galing ang problema or ang ato mga ginahadlugan. Yes. Kung hawak kita sa itong comfort zone, kaya di nyo ulit tayo siya na dapat kita dili. Kaya ang growth, uya siya sa imo zone. Pagka dili ikaw, dili ang imo zone, uya siya dili ang growth. Yaan nila nakapalibot ang growth. Siya sa gawas. That's why I am also encouraging everyone na muhawa sa isang comfort zone. Try sa na ipag-socialize kay ordinary people na hindi kita tawag for being true to ourselves, but siya yung tao na maka-feel or makasabot sa atong ibati kung kinsa ka ganda. Yes, kailangan sa nato ng karamay in life. Kaya hindi sa siguro all the time na kita-kita na sa bitaw. Kailangan masalagin nato ng mga tao na mga good influence to us. So, I guess, kailangan na rin nato ng courage para mas mupay para sa ating mga gikanahandukan in life. And always remember that we are not different. It is because we are uniquely ourselves.
That ends our interview. Once again, thank you, Mr. Joylan, for being here today.
Bye. The fight for equality is not just all about those. It is about the lives of the people. The stories of LGBTQIA+ people remind us the courage it takes to be true to oneself.